Okay, let's dive into this. So if you're planning any kind of large-scale AV setup,
Think like a stadium or maybe a huge corporate campus.
exactly, you know you're going to hit a wall really, really fast with standard HDMI.
Oh, absolutely. The cables are thick, they're a pain to work with.
And termination in the field, it's a total nightmare. And after, what, maybe 50 feet?
50 feet is generous. The signal integrity just, it falls off a cliff, it gets incredibly expensive or just plain impossible to maintain.
And that headache, that specific problem, leads us directly to the tech we're covering today.
Right. For this deep dive, we're looking at the tvONE 221109502. It's an HDMI 4K HDBaseT Extender Kit, the HD1 LX.
I sort of think of this HDBaseT thing as like a high-speed relay station for your media.
That's a great analogy.
It takes your valuable data, the high-def signal, and it basically converts it so it can travel safely down this industrial highway.
And the highway is a real game changer. It's just a standard UTT cable.
Yeah, like a Cat5e or a Cat6, the stuff you have in your walls already.
Exactly. And the technical advantage here is that the system isn't just boosting a raw signal. The HDBaseT standard converts those HDMI packets to run on, well, the Ethernet layer.
So the cable is actually managing data, not just fighting signal loss.
Precisely. Which means your infrastructure costs plummet and termination becomes, so much easier.
And the performance you get out of that it's really robust. We're talking about running a full 1080p signal for
Up to 328 feet. That's 100 meters.
100 meters. And the sources are really clear on this point. It's completely uncompressed video.
That uncompressed fidelity is vital. You're not losing quality just to get the distance. It even handles high-end audio format.
Like Dolby True HD and DTS HD.
Yep, the good stuff. Now, if you do push up to 4K resolution, the distance does drop a bit.
Okay, so what are we looking at for 4K?
You still get a very respectable 200 feet, so about 60 meters.
That drop is interesting. Is that a fundamental limit of the HDBaseT standard itself, like a bandwidth issue?
It's directly related to the massive bandwidth that 4K signal timing demands over that longer run, yeah. But this brings us to the real commercial value of the kit.
The control features.
The control features, because if your display is 300 feet away from the source, you need a way to manage it remotely.
Of course. And this is more than just sending video. The HD1 LX has bidirectional RS-232 and two-way IR.
For anyone not familiar, RS-232 is basically the universal language for device control. You can send simple data commands to, switch inputs or change volume.
So back to your highway analogy, it's not just a one-way street.
Exactly. The data flows both ways. The display can send confirmations or even commands back to the source. It's essential for any kind of integrated system. It also comes with an IR emitter and receiver pair.
And you can see that commercial focus in the design, too. It's built for those environments, and it's compatible with tvONE's CORIOmaster modular systems.
Right, and for the record, it's fully compliant with HDMI 1.4 and HDCP.
Now, let's talk about purchasing for a second. The kit runs about $350 from a distributor like HDTV Supply.
And they add some value there. Free shipping in the USA, lifetime support, which is pretty significant.
They also have strategic discounts for schools, government, military accounts, the institutional buyers.
But there's a big catch you have to be aware of.
The fine print.
The very important fine print. The product is explicitly non-cancelable, non-returnable, and non-refundable.
Wow. Okay, so that really signals this is a specialized commercial-grade unit. You have to be absolutely sure before you buy.
You really do. So wrapping this up, what's the key takeaway for you? It's not just about the distance.
No, it's about getting that perfect, uncompressed AV and bidirectional control all over cheap, easy-to-run UTP cable. It completely bypasses all those old HDMI limits.
It's a unified, robust solution.
Right. And that robust performance, it kind of raises a final interesting question for anyone designing these systems. Given that big difference in distance, 328 feet for 1080p versus only 200 feet for 4K. How does that trade-off between resolution and distance change your design priorities for a big commercial installation today?
That's a fantastic question, something to really chew on.
Something to mull over until our next deep dive.